Yo, I'm back. Another short. Nothing interesting today. In fact, I don't really know what I'm going to do for the next video. There's lots of little jobs to do, but I like doing like one big thing in a video. So I guess first thing is let me know if you don't mind non-finished videos. So like if I get halfway through a project or halfway through a job, if you don't mind me stopping there and carrying on again another time, then I might make a video on something that I've been doing for the last 8 weeks. If it does bother you that I don't finish it all in one go, then, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. Either way, I'm out here today, cleaning the bench, cleaning the garage because it's a bit of a mess. And it starts getting on my nerves after a while, so I've got to clean up. And if I clean up today, then I'm more likely to come out here and do some work tomorrow. I'll let you know how that goes tomorrow.